Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by pinpointing who you serve and why. This focuses every LinkedIn choice. Once chosen, write a one-line unique value proposition for your headline so people instantly know your promise. Next, pick 3 content pillars that support that promise. These become your regular post themes. Make sure your photo and headline reinforce the UVP. Do this now so your profile, posts, and connections all tell the same story and accelerate recognition. You implement a content system that converts attention into authority. First, schedule 3 weekly post types, 1 long-form insight, 1 quick tip or template, and 1 engagement prompt to spark comments. Once done, batch create 1 week of content in a dedicated 90-120-minute block so you stay consistent. Make sure to reuse formats and templates to speed production. Track impressions, comments, and new connections to learn what resonates, then double down on the highest performing pillar. You finish by turning attention into relationships and measurable reach. Spend 15-30 minutes per day on targeted outreach, thanking new followers and following up with value. Once someone comments often, move them into a 3-step DM flow. Acknowledge, offer help, propose next action. If growth stalls, audit your unique value proposition, pillars, and cadence. Make 1 change and test for 2 weeks. Troubleshooting. If engagement drops, simplify topics and ask a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.